Hello and welcome to Tooling Insight, the channel where we provide you with the latest information and tips on machining and tooling. In today's episode, we'll be discussing some essential machining operations that you should know about: spot facing, reaming, tapping, counterboring, and countersinking. Let's start with spot facing. Spot facing is the process of machining a flat surface on a workpiece to ensure that a bolt head, nut, or other fastener sits flush with the surface. This operation is usually performed after drilling a hole in the workpiece, and it helps to ensure that the fastener is securely fastened and won't loosen over time. Reaming is another essential machining operation. Reaming is the process of enlarging a drilled hole to a more precise diameter using a specialized tool called a reamer. This process helps to improve the accuracy and surface finish of the hole, making it suitable for tight-fitting parts or bearings. Tapping is the process of creating internal threads in a hole using a specialized tool called a tap. This operation is commonly used to create threaded holes for bolts or screws. A properly tapped hole provides a secure and reliable connection between parts. Counterboring is the process of machining a larger diameter hole at the entrance of a drilled hole. This operation allows a bolt or screw head to sit flush with the surface, which helps to distribute the load more evenly and prevent the fastener from loosening over time. Finally, countersinking is the process of creating a conical recess at the entrance of a drilled hole. This operation is often used to create a smooth, finished appearance on a workpiece, and it can also help to prevent the fastener from protruding above the surface. In conclusion, these machining operations are essential for creating precise and reliable connections between parts. Whether you're working on a DIY project or a professional manufacturing job, understanding the basics of spot facing, reaming, tapping, counterboring, and countersinking can help you to achieve the best possible results. Thanks for watching Tooling Insight, and we'll see you next time.